welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So today we have an exciting video because this is my first ever clothing trial that's not Shein. So I have two packages here from BooHoo. So I've already ripped into these. So I've got kind of a little bit of everything. I think I ordered like jeans, a skirt, a dress, a shirt, a sweatshirt, possibly something else, I'm not even sure, but I wanted to kind of get a little bit of everything in here, so hopefully everything fits. I think I'll start with like the jeans and the sweatshirt, and then if those jeans don't fit, I'm just going to throw these ones back on for the rest of the video, except for when I do the skirt portion. So let's get right into it. I will put probably a picture from the website somewhere on the screen, usually down in this area. I've never done BooHoo before, so I'll have to figure out how to get pictures from the website, because normally with Shein I just have the app and I can just screenshot that, but we'll figure it out, we'll get it done, and yeah, hopefully everything fits. I'm excited. It was requested by Monica, hi, to do BooHoo, so I'm really excited to try this out, because I know a lot of you guys actually do order from here, so hopefully I like it. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest with you, I am actually surprised that I was able to get these up and on. I did order, sorry, I'm already pooped. I'll tell you why in a minute. I did order everything in like the largest size that was available, so I think it was like a 24 US for everything. There might be one or two things I think that went up to a 26 or 28. I'll put the sizes with the photo wherever. This is just like a kind of like a cut open like neck slouchy. Wow, my descriptions are great today. Sorry, BooHoo. But it's like a sweatshirt material, so it's got like the elastic part down at the bottom here. It's cute. It's very comfortable. Like, I actually really like this top. These jeans, though, these are the reason that I'm breathing so heavy right now. So I have big calves apparently, so like they fit, they go up and everything. They're comfortable, but the calves are like really tight, so like I can't pull them up anymore because they get stuck on my calves. So like I was having a hard time getting them up, which is like very evident. But I do like them. I think they're very comfortable. I might just have to try and stretch them out a bit before I wear them, but yeah, they fit, so yay. But this sweater I do really love. Also, I lied to you guys. I said I was going to wear jeans for the whole video. I forgot that I have like a pair of leggings, 3 pairs of bike shorts, and a skirt. So these will be coming off right now. So I'll be right back. I'm hot. Okay, so this is the next outfit. I say outfit even though I literally only ordered one shirt for some reason. And I have like 4 more pairs of pants to try on. But Suze, if you're watching, this is the item that I said I would literally cry if it didn't fit, and thank God it fits. So really cute plaid pleated schoolgirl type shirt. It's like one of these ones, so like you could pull it down, but just the way that it sits, I pulled it up because I feel like it looks better where it's sitting now. You could put this over or tuck it in, it really doesn't matter. This shirt is very tight, very small, so I didn't even tell you, the jeans are stretchy, by the way, so they would fit a lot. It's just the calves are tight, and that sweatshirt is like sweatshirt material, so like regular sweatshirt material. Whew, you guys, okay, the shirt is not stretchy. It is cute though. It's really soft. It's just like a band shirt, and this is a really thick skirt material. I'm sorry, I just love this skirt. I'm so glad this fits me right now because I'm going to be wearing this all the time. Whatever. So cute. Downfall, no pockets, but I've always wanted a skirt like this, so I'm really glad that I have one now that fits me, because I don't know, I used to wear skirts all the time and I don't anymore, but this one I'm thinking I'm going to be wearing like everywhere. So really comfortable. You'd be able to fit into this. It's got a lot of room. Like, I was very, very concerned at first, but it still has like lots of room, so yay, love this. I think I'm just gonna, I don't know, we'll figure it out. I'm gonna throw on some kind of a pair of shorts or whatever and figure out what shirt to go with it. Okay, so these are black biker shorts. I honestly feel like I could have sized down in these shorts because they're very loose. Like, I was expecting them to be tight. They're comfortable. They're really stretchy. There's lots of room. They're black spandex shorts. There's not really much more to say. They are very, very high-waisted. Like, I could probably pull these up like Urkel style. Yeah. But yeah, I could have sized down in these, I feel like. So now I know for next time that, like, because I was like, I have to order the biggest size because 24 is not my size, but I don't know. Apparently they are quite large in BooHoo style. So let's try on the other two biker shorts with this shirt and see if they're also large. Okay, so these ones are still kind of large. I looked at the tag on these ones though, and it says US 22. I don't know if that makes sense or not. But they're very soft. Again, very stretchy. These ones go up to here, so they're not as high-waisted. I don't know. I might wear these like with a longer shirt though, like just, I don't know. I honestly don't know. I ordered these because I thought they were cute, and I usually wear like biker shorts under skirts and stuff, so like that was my intention when I ordered them. But I mean, these are really cute, so we'll have to see. Let's try on I've got like a grayish pair, so let's try those ones on and see how those ones are. So this is where it gets confusing, because these ones, I again glanced at the tag, they say US 24, but these ones have like the best fit. Like, they're not loose, they're nice and tight how I want them to be. They do go up to here, just above my belly button. Yeah, they're comfortable, soft, stretchy bike shorts, but these ones fit the best for some reason. So I don't know, I like these ones the most. I'm hot. I do really like these ones though, so I'll probably wear these ones the most, but those ones I could probably just wear under some skirts and whatnot. Let's get, I have one more pair. I have full leggings to try on, so let's try those on and then get out of this shirt because it's hot. Ew, like, look how hot I am. That's so gross. I'm so sorry. Anyways, these are the full leggings, size US 24. They do fit nicely. Again, these ones go like all the way up. They are soft, stretchy, breathable. Again, just like a nice legging material. All of these pants though have like this bunching for me in the crotch, but that's just because of my belly. So if you have a smaller stomach, you won't have that pulling. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's there. And the back is my back's not all sweaty. Okay. Yeah, I need to get out of this because this is a thick shirt. It's nice, but it's thick. It's going straight into the wash. Okay, so this is a dress. I left my pants on because I knew I knew that this would be short. I do not like this at all. I will not be keeping this. It's not my color. This just is not flattering for me personally. It fits weird up in the upper arms here because I have like the chub there. And it is a little tight around here. Also, it's like a little tight just in this area in general. I don't know if I wore a different bra, if that would like fix that, because I'm just wearing a sports bra. Sorry. I don't know why I just did that. But I don't know. It's not a nice material. I have one more dress to try on. That dress seems like it'll be a lot nicer. I'm still going to leave the pants on for it though, just in case it's short. But yeah, this I'm not a fan of like at all. So yeah, Goodwill. Okay, so good thing I left the shirt on, or the short, I cannot speak. Good thing I left the pants on, because again, this is very short. Like, if I like moved the wrong way, you'd be able to see like all my business. But see this one, this is so flowy. There's so much room here. Like, you could literally have like the biggest boobs ever and fit into this. This is the softest material that I've felt in a long time. There's lots of it here. It's so flowy. It's so nice. It's airy. It's breathable. This is my favorite. This and that pink skirt are my favorite items out of this order. So, I mean, it was kind of hit and miss for me for BooHoo. Like with Shein, I usually like most of the products, but this was kind of hit and miss. I'll probably wear everything except for that purple dress. So, I mean, I guess that makes this like a successful haul for me. Minus all this nasty sweat. But this is, even just this is a cute outfit. So, or I could wear this with like jeans. I don't know. I really like this top though. Like, I just like how roomy it is. I could probably size down 1 or 2 sizes to like, you know, but I call it a top. I think it's a dress, but I really like this. So, yeah, I'm calling this a success, you guys. So this was the last item. I'm going to keep doing this because I'm warm. This is the last item in this haul. I mean, it was fun. Like, I don't mind trying out different products and like different companies. Like, I'm not going to be spending like a ton of money at each one, but I mean, I got a little bit of everything to show you guys. And I didn't like break the bank, so that's good. But if you guys want to see anything else, let me know. I did order, God, I can't even remember who it was now. I'm so sorry. But asked me to order Juvia's Place makeup. So I did order a couple eyeshadow palettes from there. They should be coming in soon. So I'll be doing that for you guys when it arrives as well. But most of what you're going to see for the next little while is actually probably just going to be like me moving, me painting, me decorating. It's going to be like a house, it's going to be like a renovation channel for probably like a month. So I really apologize for that. I will throw in the makeup and everything and the try-ons in once a week, but I'm probably going to be uploading like 5 times a week with like renovation style stuff. And then, yeah, so yeah, I'm happy with this. So if you guys watched this today, thank you very much. You can give this video a like if you liked it, and you can hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so. My subscribers are like coming and going and coming and going. It's hard to keep track, but hey, if you're still here, I appreciate you very much. I love you guys. Talk to me in the comments. I love chit-chatting with you guys. Some of you know that we chit-chat every single week or more than once a week, so I'm going to stop rambling. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.